It's been almost a year since the state's new enhanced carry law took effect. Thanks for joining us this evening. I'm Ashley Katz.
Hello and good evening, everybody. I'm Bob Clausen. The training has been available since the beginning of the year, but there's still some confusion about where permit holders can actually bring their guns.
And KRK4's Jesse Denor is joining us from the newsroom now to tell us about a recent complaint. Jesse?
Yeah, Ashley and Bob, this one surrounds a state agency meeting at a public facility. The permit holder left with more questions that he came with, prompting him to get the building's surveillance footage.
You can see him upstairs signaling to the downstairs officer to check me for a gun.
An enhanced carry licensee flagged for being armed when he walked into the Batesville Community Center for an Arkansas Game and Fish meeting.
Okay, I truthfully answered no, even though it would have been legal.
Robert Neal says a Game and Fish officer then patted him down.
I do not consent to a search of my person or my property. I'm not searching. There were literally multiple Game and Fish officers there who I'd never met before that all knew me by name, and which is a little bit intimidating, but you know, it's their playground, so I'll go along with it.
Neal says officers continued to monitor him throughout the meeting.
I was the only person they touched outside of a handshake.
Neal believes he was treated that way because he was asked whether the agency is in compliance with the enhanced carry law.
People with the enhanced endorsement can carry in public buildings. And I think there's just some agencies that are dragging their feet on it.
But Game and Fish says prior to the meeting, carrying a handgun is prohibited in this building signs were posted at the doors with the owner's permission. The agency says such practice is consistent with all meetings held in Game and Fish buildings and is allowed by Arkansas law.
You'd think that they would be in line with this rather than trying to resist it.
Game and Fish has also said that enhanced carry licensees cannot carry a gun in its office buildings or the location of its administrative hearings, which are usually at the headquarters. But Neal argues this was a regular public hearing. Back to you.